Hello friends, what's going on guys? How you guys doing? Welcome once again to our channel. Today guys, we'll be talking about Shiba Inu and why I think you should consider adding this to your portfolio. Alright guys, in case you've not subscribed to this channel, we can subscribe and like this video guys as we dive into the chart properly. If you take a look on Shiba Inu from daily chart guys, you can see that the market spend a lot of time here guys, correcting, consolidating, this move. All right, it makes an impulse, it drops drastically, and it spends time here. So what happens after this, that the market will also make a high and there will be a correction, and after that the next high comes in guys. So if you're an investor, I think this market will do better than what it is now currently. Okay, so that's why you should think of considering. There's not much data here for us to have a projection of where the market is going, except when we listen to the fundamental guys, but I don't trade fundamental guys. So but basically looking at it from this chart here guys, what I'm thinking of is, this is an impulse, this is a correction, this is an impulse is coming now, and you can see clearly that from the market that this trend has been broken, although this is a contracting flat. So what we are considering from here, that this move might not be over, but if you look at it this way, 1 2 3, if this is the whole correction, that means a contracting flat, and as it's correcting here, anytime it breaks here guys, that is to the moon. All right, so that breakout will be very, very aggressive in the next phase. That's the first scenario. Now the second alternative would be, for instance, the market makes this, the market comes here again, breaking this previous high here, drop again and go, okay, making this kind of a running flat. So whichever one that you're about to do, we're still seeing that the market will go higher than this previous high guys. And I believe because the community here is so strong. One thing about this cryptocurrency is about the community guys. So whatever the community is strong, just pay attention to it guys, because there are power in numbers. Okay, there are powers in numbers, and success or money is a number game. Right, so that is just one thing about it. So I believe this is going to appreciate far more from this current price guys. So if you're interested in this, you can kindly add it to your portfolio. And now if you take a look from it on the 1 hour chart, and I think this correction is over, you can see A1 2 3. So probably from here now the market is going up, because so that's how I see what this coin. And actually we already in there, we're waiting for the move to happen. Now also let's take a look on Bitcoin guys and see what is going on Bitcoin. All right, so now Bitcoin, actually we were expecting last time that there should be a reversal kindly from here, but actually we now got a spike. All right, so the $1 million question is this: what are we expecting from these guys? What are we expecting? Now looking at Bitcoin from this daily chart, now two things we're expecting here. There will be a correction. That correction we're still expecting will play out here guys. Okay, and I believe before this all-time high will be cleared, this correction will play out, and that will determine how it's going to happen. But two things we are expecting. If you go to the weekly chart, two things we're expecting. You see, nothing stops Bitcoin from dropping from here, guys, which is likely. Nothing stops it from dropping from here. So, but it's very dangerous for you to buy at this point. Okay, well, just wait and see how it plays out. So, looking at it from here, we're expecting that correction to play out and give us a complete data on what is going, because on the 4 hours the data is not complete yet. Okay, we just had this one wave. This is not complete, so we're expecting, if you give us a 3-wave correction here, then we're able to take it up. If not, there might be a drop, and once you start seeing something like this, it will give us a deeper correction before going up. All right, so on the 1 hour it's still the same thing. So I think it should be a complex correction, because this is completed 1 2 3 is over ABC. So if this is one that will go, this is first wave, so expect a correction here at the drop of this, then you can take it here. Or if it start dropping and break this low, that means to give us a complex correction. So two things we're expecting: allow the market to complete this phase, before jumping into the market, guys, because the market's undergoing a correction of this move. But what we are still standing on this move, guys. This move is still 1, 2, except all this one is going to be 3. Then after this is give us the 4th one before dropping, which is still possible. All right, so that's how we are looking on Bitcoin. For now, we're just staying clear and watching the market to complete that wave before we can take clear signals on the next direction or the next wave of the Bitcoin. All right, guys, so that is just the update for you guys. And remember that one of the coin that we called out last time, the Tomo, is still doing what we expect of it. Okay, it's still very, very much loading for this move, because anytime soon this market is going to break out here, and that is to the moon. So expect something like this to happen on this Tomo chain USD. So that is the updates we have for you guys. If you like this content, please kindly subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like this video, and see you on the next video, guys.